Hello everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampItCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' It! Demonstrator. Thank you for joining me for another video tutorial. Today we're using the A Fish and a Wish bundle from the annual catalog. This is our third project. It's going to be super cute, super quick, and anybody can make this card. Before we get started though, I want to remind you to sign up for my email list. I'm doing a 12 weeks of Christmas starting in October, so it's exclusively to my email subscribers, so you won't want to miss out on that. And currently this month we have weekly deals throughout the month of September, so I will post my link to my online store below. Love to have your business. And then also we have 6 new sets of dies that are available during September while supplies last. My favorite, the Yeti dies, go with our Yeti to Party stamp set in the mini catalog. So lots of different dies to choose from. You can find all of that on the link to my online store. All right, so today, super quick card, very cute. We're just using our note cards and envelopes. These are in the annual catalog. This is simple stamping today. So we have our envelope, we're going to decorate that too, and I just have a scrap of basic white cardstock. All right, this is it. This is our supplies. I'm going to do just a little bit of embellishment at the end though. Now I have 4 colors of ink. I've kind of chosen 4 colors since we're doing a fish and a wish, 4 colors of blue-green type inks. Now you could use any color you have, but I'm going to go with Pacific Point, Bermuda Bay, Tahitian Tide, and Pool Party. All right, let's get started. This is our stamp set. I'm going to be using this image. It's the fish with kind of a block background, and then we'll be using our fish punch as well. So let's grab our fish. We're going to start off with our darkest one, which is Pacific Point. And we're going to just stamp right at the bottom, just like that. All right. We're going to clean it off because we're going to go a little bit lighter as we go. Next, we're going to do Bermuda Bay. Give it a little spacing in between. Okay, I'm cleaning on my chamois. Makes a little bit of a squeaking noise. Okay, let's go with Tahitian Tide. I like this Tahitian Tide. It's one of my favorite new ink colors. And last but not least, Pool Party. All right, we could do that one right at the top. Okay, now I am going to take this other fish. This is the one, it's the same size as this one, but it looks a little different. And I'm going to stamp this once right over here on my scrap paper. And you notice he's kind of going the other way, but he can go both ways really. His eye's right in the middle, so it can, he's what is that, ambidextrous? It's left or right? Maybe that's what we'll call him. The ambidextrous fish. We're going to have him going that way on our envelope and maybe another one going that way. Cute. All right, let's stamp one more fish inside. I have him going that way on the inside. Okay, we're going to stamp, we're doing A Sea of Thanks, and I'm going to go with the Pacific Point, a little bit darker. So this is just a sweet little thank you note. You could use any of the other sentiments. All right, we are done with stamping. Let's get these closed up out of the way so we don't have any accidents. Okay, see, I already stuck my finger in the ink. That's all right. We're done stamping. I think we'll be okay. All right, let's make sure that's creased well. Then we're going to take this little fish on the scrap paper and let's punch it out. We got one punch. Very cute. We're going to grab a dimensional Just one, that's all we need, one right in the middle. And we're going to pop this up right on top of our other fish, just like that. And if you want, you can add Wink of Stella. Let's see, just to make them a little shimmery. This is kind of our focal fish. So we can bling him up a little bit if we want, but it is not necessary. I'm just adding Wink of Stella for fun. And then I'm just going to add a couple little bubbles. I have these Glossy Dots assortment, and I'm going to use I think they're Pool Party. They could be Balmy Blue. I'm going to use a medium and a small. We don't have a whole lot of room, but I just want to give him a couple little bubbles because he's our focus fish. And that is it. That's all we're doing. Simple stamping today. Isn't that cute? Lots of color, cute inside, cute. I mean, who wouldn't want that envelope in the mail? I know I want it. So there you go. I will post the limited supplies, the very few supplies, just our inks, in my blog below. And don't forget to sign up for my email list so that you don't miss out on the upcoming 12 weeks of Christmas program. And make sure to click subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. All right, thanks everybody. I will see you back here soon. All right, bye-bye.